In this video, I'm featuring this 3-pack of leather bands for the Apple Watch that was sent over to me to check out. I'm going to give you guys a closer look at these bands so that you can decide if these are right for you or not. Let's get into it. All right, so they sent me over the dark brown, light brown, and black. These are all leather, quality stitching in there on the top and the bottom. Got these silver buckles on it. Super easy to install, guys. If you've ever installed Apple Watch bands, you know these here just basically pop off the button on the bottom, replace it with the color that you want. Super simple, in seconds. And just like that, you've got another color on. So the thing about these here is they are kind of stiff leather out of the box. You know, they're dried flat. So when you put them on, it's kind of like a pair of leather work boots. You got to kind of break them in. So once you put them on, the first couple times you wear it, it may be a little uncomfortable, but just break it in. It'll kind of conform to your wrist, and then from that point forward, it'll be a lot more comfortable. But you know, if you're looking to transform your Apple Watch into more of a classic, you know, Timex looking watch, you don't want the smartwatch look. You want something a little bit more classic, something that you can coordinate with your outfits. This here is a great way to go. So again, this here color combination is the black, light brown, and dark brown. They've got several other combinations that you can go for to match your style, or get them all. So if you guys looking for some nice bands for your Apple Watch, highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.